120 mile per hour.
Yeah.
Hey Sabrina, how you doing?
Hello, good.
Good, welcome.
Excited.
Are you? What are we about to do that you're so excited?
I'm about to jump out of a plane.
First
Skydive.
time?
First time.
What's the occasion?
I don't know. I've been wanting to do it for a long time.
All right. Well,
So why not today?
You're gonna love this, I guarantee. Let's tell people at home what we're gonna do. How high are we jumping from?
10,000 feet.
That's right, almost 2 miles straight down. How fast are we gonna fall?
Wow. 120 miles per hour.
Yeah, twice the legal speed limit. It's pretty fast. Any last words before we go?
I love you all, and that's it.
All right, let's do it. Cool.
Again.
Nice job.
Woo! Awesome!
All right, you did it. You jumped out of a plane. What do you think?
I jumped out of a plane. It was awesome. Best experience ever.
You look like you had
amazing.
fun up
Yes, I just still can't believe I did it.
there. Well, congratulations. What was your favorite part, by the way?
When we first jumped out. When we did that turn, it was amazing.
What do you have to say to your friends and family at home watching this and thinking about skydiving?
You should not die before doing this.
You should do it at least once. Come out here, make a jump. A telephone number for them to call. 561 jump.
Now.
All right.